Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IPS home school. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 10. Our today's topic is exercise 9.1, question 2 and 3 from 8 and question 3 and 4 from 9. Dear students, this is our lecture number 5. There is no homework given here in our today's class. This is lecture 5 of half yearly 2022. Dear students, let us see which question we will solve in our today's class. Here I have written the questions. Question 2 of 8 here. First question is, if x to the power a equal to y to the power b equal to z to the power c and x, y, z equal to 1, then find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Dear students, we need to determine the value of AB plus BC plus CA when this information is given. So we can write the given information here. At first we are writing solution 8 to solution given. What is given here? That is x to the power a equal to y to the power b equal to z to the power c and x, y, z equal to 1. These are our given information. Now to solve this we can consider here, let x to the power a equal to y to the power b equal to z to the power c equal to k. If we consider a k, suppose k is a constant here, we can consider this is k. So now we can write, so x to the power a is equal to k implies x equal to k to the power 1 by a, k to the power 1 by a, k to the power 1 by a. It means eighth root of k, Now similarly we can write here y to the power b equal to k implies y equal to k to the power 1 by b, and then last one we can write here z to the power c equal to k implies we can write here z equal to k to the power 1 by c. Okay dear students, so we have determined the value of x, y and z from this information, and now if we use the given information x, y, z equal to 1, then we can determine the value of a plus b, ab plus bc plus c easily. So we can write here, now we can write x, y, z is equal to 1, So we can write here value of x is k to the power 1 by a into value of y is k to the power 1 by b into z is k to the power 1 by c, that is equal to 1. So we can write here implies, as all the bases are same, we can write here k to the power 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to 1. As you know, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Applying this law or formula, we can write this. So now we can write here k to the power, here if we do the LCM we will get here ABC, Now if you see here, divide by a you will get BC, 1 into BC means BC plus here divide by B you will get CA, divide by C you will get AB. So this is equal to, this has gone more above, we can write here, we need to keep some space here, BC, CA, AB. So now this is equal to 1. We can write 1 means k to the power 0. As you know, a to the power 0 equal to 1. So we can write 1 x in replacement of 1 we can write k to the power 0. K to the power 0 means 1. So now we can write from this, we can write as the bases are same, we can remove this, we can write here indices are same. It means that BC plus CA plus AB is by ABC is equal to 0. So now do the cross multiplication, you will get here 0 means 0 by 1, so we can do the cross multiplication. This is BC plus CA plus AB is equal to ABC into 0 means 0. Here this should be ABC. Now we can write here, therefore AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to 0. What is the question? Find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. So we have determined the value, therefore the required value is 0. Therefore the required value is 0. We can write here, this is our answer of question 2 of 8. Now we have to solve question 3 of 8. To solve question 3, we can write here the given information. What is the given information here? 9 to the power x, 9 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power y. 9 to the power x, here we can write 3, solution. We can write here given 9 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power y. We need to determine the value of, or find the value of x by y. To determine the value of x by y, we can write here 9 means 3 here. We need to make the base same. So we can write 3 square, 9 means 3 square. So we can write here 3 cube means 27. So 3 cube whole to the power y. So we know if here is a to the power m whole to the power n, it means a to the power mn, it means that we have to do the product of power and whole power. So if we do the product, it will be 3 to the power 2x, and here will be 3 to the power 3x. Dear students, here bases are same, it means that you know a to the power m is equal to a to the power n. In that case, we will get here m equal to n. If the bases are same, then the indices are same, so we can write here 2x equal to 3y. Sorry, not this is x, this is y. So 2x equal to 3y. We need to determine the value of x by y. As we need to determine the value of x by y, so we can write here, we can take this y in the left side, so this will go to the denominator, and here is 3, and this 2 we can remove from here, we can write here 2. Therefore the required value is the required value of x by y is 3 by 2. X by y is 3 by 2. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of question 3. This is a very simple question. Now I will solve two questions from 9, question 3 and question 4. Here we need to solve this two. Here two equations are given. We need to solve and determine the value of x and y. Here also two equations are given. We need to solve this and determine the value of x and y. We need to solve this. Okay, dear students, so we are going to solve this. Okay, dear students, so look at the question here. What is the question here? We can write 9, 1, here 9, 3, that is solution. Here we have to write the given equation here at first. So we can write here given. What is given here? 4 to the power 3y minus 2. 4 to the power 3y minus 2 is equal to 16 to the power x plus y. This is equation 1. We can give the equation number. Now we can write and 3 to the power x plus 2y, that is equal to 9 to the power 2x plus 1. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 is given. We need to solve this. That is 3 to the power x plus 2y and 9 to the power 2x plus 1. This is equation 2, and 4 to the power 3y minus 2 is equal to 16 to the power x plus y. This is equation 1. So we can write here from 1 we get, what will we get here this is written 4 to the power 3y minus 1, sorry, minus 2, 4 to the power 3y minus 2. As this is written here, in the right side we can express 16 as 4 square whole to the power now x plus y. So now if we want to write, we can write here 4 to the power 3y minus 2, that is equal to 4 to the power 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y, as here is x plus y. Now we can write here, as bases are same, so we can write indices are same, that is equal to 2x plus 2y. So we can take now here 3y, we can take minus 2x minus, we can take only y in the left side, minus 2y, that is equal to 2x plus 2. Now if we subtract this, we will get here, just we have moved this 2y in the left side. Now here will be only y, that is equal to 2x plus 2. This is equation 3. This is equation 3. Now put this value in equation 2, or we can write from 2. From 2 we get, from 2 what will we get? Here is written 3 to the power x plus 2y, that is equal to 9 to the power 2x plus 1. So we can express 9 as 3 square. So we can write here 3 square whole to the power 2x plus 1. Here is, this is 3 square. 3 square whole to the power 2x plus 1. So now express this as 3 to the power x plus 2y that is equal to 3 to the power 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2, as power of power and whole power we need to do the product. As bases are same, so again we can write x plus 2y equal to 4x plus 2. Okay dear students, so now replace y by 2x plus 2. We can write x plus 2 into 2x plus 2 equal to 4x plus 2. We can write here using 3. Using 3. It means using equation 3 we can write this. Calculate here now. X plus 4x plus 4 minus 4x equal to 2. So now we can write here this 4x positive, 4x negative vanish each other, only x will remain in the left side, and this 4 we can shift in the right side, 2 minus 4. Therefore x equal to minus 2. Now if we put the value of x in equation 3, we will get the value of y. So we can write here putting the value of x, putting the value of x in 3, we get, what will we get here? Here equation 3 is y equal to 2x plus 2, y equal to 2x plus 2. So now put the value, you will get here 2 into minus 2 plus 2, that is minus 4 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. So the required solution. So the required solution, what should be the required solution? Required solution, x equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 2. Dear students, I have done question 3. Now I have to complete the last question, question 4. We have to solve these two equations and determine the value of x and y. So we can solve this two equations. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 2. Now I will solve question 3. I have done question 3. Now I will solve question 4. Dear students, question 4, now see what is given here. At first I will write the given equations, then I will solve that question. Okay dear students, so let us see what is the question here. Here the question is 2 to the power 2x plus 1, 2 to the power 2x plus 1, 9, 4, solution given here, that is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 into 2 to the power 3y plus 1. 3y plus 1. That is equal to 8. This is equation 1. First equation here. And next one is here written 2 to the power x plus 2. 2 to the power x plus 2 into 2 to the power y plus 2. 2 to the power y plus 2. That is equal to 16. This is equation 2. Now we can write from 1. From 1 we get, what will we get here? Now see equation 1. Here equation 1 is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 to the power 3y plus 1. So we can write only 2 here and we can add the index. Here we can write 2 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 3y plus 1. That is equal to 8 means 2 cube. 8 means 2 cube. So we can write here 2 to the power, here is written 2x plus 3y plus 2. 2x plus 3y plus 2. That is equal to 2 cube. Dear students, you know here bases are same. So the indices will be same. 2x plus 3y plus 2, that is equal to 3. So we can write here 2x plus 3y is equal to 3 minus 2. That implies 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. This is equation 3. Okay dear students, now I am going to equation 2. From 2 we get, what will we get from 2? Equation 2 is here 2 to the power x plus 2 plus y plus 2, that is equal to 16. That implies we can write here 2 to the power x plus y plus 4. Here 16 means 2 to the power 4. We can express 16 as 2 to the power 4. As the bases are same, so we can write here x plus y plus 4 is equal to 4. So indices are same. So we can write here now x plus y equal to 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. It means x plus y equal to 0. That implies x equal to minus y. Now this is equation 4. This is equation 4. Using this equation 4 in 3 we get, using 4 in 3 we get, what will we get here? Now we have to use minus y in replacement of x. So we can write here 2x plus 3y. 2 into, instead of x we can write minus y, plus here 3y, we can write here 3y. That is equal to 1. Dear students, again I am telling, we have to write minus y instead of x. It means that 2 into minus y we can write here. So here is 3y, here is 3y. I have written. Now we can write here. That implies minus 2y plus 3y, that is equal to 1. Implies that here minus 2y plus 3y means only y, that is equal to 1. So we have determined the value of y. Now if we put the value of y in 4, we will get the value of x. So we can write here, putting the value of y, in 4 we get. What will we get here? We will get here x equal to minus y implies x equal to minus 1, as the value of y is 1. So we have determined the value of x. Therefore the required solution, that is x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 1. Dear students, I have completed our today's lecture. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of problem. No homework is given. Do this question or solve this question again and again, practice this question. Okay, dear students, so keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, assalamu alaikum.